Now at 11, the families of several veterans who died under suspicious circumstances at the VA hospital in Clarksburg have some answers, as a person of interest in this case pleads guilty to federal charges. Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Jennifer Abney.
And I'm Rob Macco. Today, a former nursing assistant admitted to killing 7 veterans and attempting to kill an 8th. 13
News chief political reporter Mark Curtis has been following this case from the beginning. He joins us in Clarksburg with more.
46-year-old Reta Mays entered guilty pleas today on 7 counts of second-degree murder. She also pleaded guilty to a separate count of attempted murder. Federal prosecutors say Mays gave unauthorized injections of insulin to these patients, even though most were not diabetic. Her motivation remains unknown to investigators, but those shots proved fatal.
The victims' families had to be on board with the plea. They were uniformly clear that life imprisonment and a much more expeditious path toward a conclusion of the case were extremely important factors to them.
The courtroom was packed with nearly 30 family members of the victims. They talked about Mays' betrayal of our veterans and the nearly 3 years of uncertainty as the investigation slowly progressed.
I felt kind of sad for how long she has to spend there, for life, for probably be. But I know Dad was 84 years old, and I know he had a lot of years left in him, but he came a little bit short.
So far, investigators say they don't know Reta Mays' motivation for killing veterans. Each count of second-degree murder carries a maximum life term in prison, plus she gets another 20 years for the attempted murder charge. The bottom line, Reta Mays will be spending the rest of her life in federal prison. In Clarksburg, I'm Mark Curtis, 13 News, working for you.
Everyone in the case will be back at federal court for a status hearing on October 30th. Reta Mays is likely to be formally sentenced by the end of the year.
While victims' families in the Clarksburg community got some long-awaited answers today, there is still much more to this case. There are at least 3 wrongful death lawsuits filed by families of victims against the VA, which will play out in civil court. A medical center spokesperson this afternoon released a statement saying, in part, Clarksburg VA Medical Center discovered these allegations and reported them to the VA's independent inspector general more than 2 years ago. Clarksburg VA Medical Center also fired the individual. Attorney Dino Colombo, who represents one family, says that's not enough.
To date, the VA hospital has never responded to any of the lawyers' inquiries about what they're going to do. They've done nothing.
The 3rd lawsuit filed in June blames the leadership team at the hospital for failing to follow policies on medical care and reporting. Colombo called Mays a serial killer that preyed on patients at the hospital. Well, after the charges were announced, West Virginia Senator Joe Manchin issued this statement saying, while overdue, today justice is finally being served. I hope today's announcement brings some semblance of peace to their hearts and to the families who are still uncertain about the fate of their veterans.
And Senator Shelley Moore Capito also issuing a statement today saying, quote, the families of these victims deserve answers, and today's news will help bring some closure to what has been a long and painful journey. A federal grand